Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a fidget toy blind bag. So let's get started. We have to take a paper. Now we have to fold it into half. Now we have to stick the corners. Now we have to color it. Now we have to take a color pen. I'm taking orange color. Now we have to write here fidget toy blind bag. Now we have to put anything inside this, whatever you want to put. And I'm going to put this simple dimple and this octopus spinner dimple. Now I'm going to stick it. Now our fidget toy blind bag is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys.